going to watch Camp Lazlo and pull the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's, even though my parents said no.
Siamese twins! Siamese twins! You need to go home, Lamar. Home. Home. Way down upon this world. Going fast! Going very fast!
I can't see a gosh darn thing out of these goggles. Can you see anything, Chip?
Do you imbeciles really need to be wearing your goggles before you get in the water?
I don't know, but I have my floaties. What in the hell? Monkey and sea lamprey! Monkey and sea lamprey! Split up! Run for your lives! The red wagon is out of control! Lazlo?
Swimmers, take your mark. Get set.
Wait! Run for your lives! Monkey and sea lamprey! Monkey and sea lamprey!
Newly panic! Parasite out of wagon! Parasite out of wagon!
Toad put wood ode put eel ode pudding toad puts to poop to
Junior, how dare you pull the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's? That's it. Go home right now. God dang it, Junior. Your mother and I can't believe you watched Camp Lazlo and pulled the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's, and the people just freaked out for the fire alarm. That's it. You're grounded for 49688978928793821068548 years. Go upstairs to your room now and never come out to your room ever again. Go now.